Hello everyone, myself Shikha Gupta, teacher Government Middle School Batod, District Ramban. Students, as you know, we are doing chapter 3 of mathematics, playing with numbers. Our today's topic is highest common factor. Highest common factor also called as HCF, और इसको हम ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर आल्सो कॉल्ड GCD, या हम इसको हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बोलते हैं और या ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर. तो नाउ डेफिनेशन ऑफ HCF इज HCF is the greatest number which divides two or more numbers completely without leaving any remainder. There are two methods of calculating HCF or GCD. First one is prime factorization method and second is successive division method. So in both these methods we find the HCF of two or more given numbers. Now, how we find HCF by prime factorization method? For this, we take an example. Suppose we have two given numbers 24 and 36. We take 24 and divide it by 2, the least prime number. 2 12s are 24. Now 12 is again an even number. We divide it again by 2. 2 6s are 12. 6 is even number. We divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is an odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So we divide it by next prime number 3. 3 1s are 3. Now the factorization of 24 is over. We take 36 and divide it by 2. 2 18s are 36. Now 18 is again even number. Divide it by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is an odd number. So we divide it by next prime number 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 is again an odd number. Divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3. Now the 36 is factorized. Now we find the common factors of 24 and 36. We write 24 as the product of its prime factors. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now, what are the common factors of these two numbers? 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. These are the common factors. So, the HCF of 24 and 36 is product of common factors. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So we found 12 is the HCF of 24 and 36. This is the method. So students, I hope you understood how we find the HCF of two given numbers by prime factorization method. Now we calculate HCF by successive division method. HCF is equal to last divisor of the given number. For example, find HCF of 24 and 18. So we divide larger number by smaller number. Here larger number is 24. We divide 24 by 18. 18 1s are 18. We get the remainder 6. Now again we proceed. 18, we divide 18 by 6. Now 6 3s are 18 and we get the remainder 0. So as we told above that HCF is last divisor of the given number. So here last divisor is 6. So HCF of 24 and 18 is 6. This is all about successive division method. I hope बच्चों आपको समझ में आया होगा सक्सेसिव डिवीजन मेथड क्या होता है और प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड क्या होता है फॉर फाइंडिंग HCF ऑफ गिवन नंबर्स. थैंक यू.